Thank you for watching another episode of Stolono's Reviews. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of August. Only 92 more to go. Yeesh. Today I am reviewing the Godo brand Lego-like brick mobile suit called Destroy Warrior. I think. It's not real clear on the naming. The Amazon title says Transforming Mech Robot Building Blocks Set Destroy Warrior City Action Mech Model Building Kit, which is a lot. So I'm just going to call it the Destroy Warrior. The Amazon description states it's made from 542 bricks and assembled it stands about 9 inches tall. So let's start with what I liked. Numbered bags. Godfrey Daniels, what a difference that makes. You may remember my earlier review of the THIS.WAS.A.BLAST brick brand mobile suit, the Brino AC, that lacked any numbering on the bags, which just makes for a painfully slow build. Let's see, this kit cost about $5 more than THIS.WAS.A.BLAST, but it's worth it. I did have a few leftover bricks. They do give you some spares, and I completed the build without any missing brick issues anyway, though. The stickers provided applied well and are very shiny. The parts had a satisfying click together, with most bricks going together very firmly. Certainly more firmly than most Lego bricks do. I'm calling this a good thing, but it isn't always. The shoulder-mounted cannons fire bricks at a short distance. The instructions were very good, with nice coloring that usually did a great job of letting you know which part went next and where. The mobile suit poses quite well, and thanks to its broad feet, it's pretty stable. Going into what I didn't like, the Amazon title mentions transforming. To my knowledge, nothing transforms. In contrast to the THIS.WAS.A.BLAST brand of brick mobile suit kits, the instruction book did not have any extra information about the mobile suit's characteristics or weapons. In fact, I had to look on the Amazon store page to figure out what its weapon was called. It's called the electric wheel hammer. They only seemed to do it one time that I noticed, but there was an instruction that told you to add pieces to the back side of the model, and it was difficult to see where they meant. Fortunately, a step or two later, it was pretty clear where they were supposed to go. The mecha's visor was a pale, sickly yellow, so I used a steady gold paint marker and painted the visor, and it made a huge improvement. I'll put a link in the description as to the marker I used. Color-wise, though, otherwise, I think that's my only complaint. I did notice on the heels of the model, the brick joining the two pieces didn't fit well, and the parts are definitely under stress. So you should be able to see a picture of that. Would I do it again? You bet. This was a great kit. 5 stars. In fact, I already bought my second brick mobile suit from Godo, the Justice Warrior Red. I think, again, the naming is not quite great. I think that's what it's called. Did you build one of these, or another Godo brick kit? What did you think? Please comment below. I think we would all like to know what other kits are worthwhile from Godo. Please like and subscribe to see my latest videos. Please support me on Patreon so I can review more stuff. The link is in the description.